video sibu yang biriba mipung khudimagna sigi video se soidana share tawbiyo ko abidi kano akoi manipur da leibiriba Echil enao mayam se sigi vacancy gi sigi matang da khangbidaba mayam yawramgane ba aduga hujik form thabazu haugrabani na last day se 30 mayam puduma pukhurumjeri ngasidi mayam gi damakta nungaiba paw ma pujara mamang da ina nursing officer gi ko norset ki recruitment gi matang da aina video ma thaga chabane ba ko aduda to Echil enao mayam na to line da leiba ko technician gi radiographer gi adagi pharmacist ki adugumba gi thabak ko bale di haibir o update to biro haibada adugi damakta ina si video se semjarak pane ba ko hujik AIIMS Delhi na exam ama tawdori ba ko exam sina post makhal post adugi matik yame ko 53 post oidoine ba ko sigi exam sina 53 post se fill tawna ba exam common recruitment exam ama tawdori adugi matang da haijaraki ngasidi exam sigi maming common recruitment examination ko webo ko sigi notice se AIIMS na date 11 da thadorok pane bako adu ngasidi aina na mise ai date 17 oire bako adu kitang ka tawre nahangai matam da som phangdaba nambagi adu gini ngasi se adu ga date 11 da thadorok pane adu ga online da oidoine ko sigi se form submit to base date 12 tagi form kano online application thajan ba yare bako hogre ba date 12 tagi adu ga last date sina that 31st July 2025 pugmanga ko 31st July the last date oidoine aduga magi exam se kano amana CBT khatang ko computer based test khatang tawba ama aduga atopa post makhal yambani na post 53 sui ba ko adugi post da exam kano post kharadi only CBT exam tawgune ba computer based test aduga post kharadi skill test su tawgani ko aduda moina hujik piri se that 25 August and 26 August ko si se confirm din na moina tentative hai ba ko chawrak na si 25 August na 26 ta tarakani hai na CBT ki exam se tarakani haina moina sida piri aduga kanogi skill test kina ko skill test yauba post kina adugina hujik date thokdri ba ko sine aduda sida yauri ba post mayam se ai yam yame ba ko sisina filter to se Delhi da khatang na de ko makhom khudimakta all over India da leiba hospital ko AIIMS na aduga atopa central government hospital da filter to ne ba ado ai post se yame ai detail da haibadi ngamaroi ba ko abdi detail da haibudo gamna confusing zu oirani ba ko 53 post se aina kanu mathang jar launa pathong amge ba ko adu da isaga chana ba post yaubirgadi kanu check to biyo ai gi sigi notice se yam sange 183 pages oibene ba ko sigi notice se aina description da hapange aina hujik vacancy lady ba post mayam se mathang pathorok bada isaga chana ba post yaurgadi link to the changaga check to biyo aduga details to check to biyo ko ai post to mathang hairage ko post kauriba hujik thaba kauriba post kaise details ti mayam changbiyo ko aina hujik haigi badumaina ahan bada dietitian assistant dietitian mathang da assistant administrative officer junior administrative officer or office assistant junior administrative assistant LDC upper division clerk senior administrative assistant matang da assistant engineer su yawe ko assistant engineer or junior engineer electrical ko matang da assistant engineer junior engineer air conditioning and refrigeration matang da na audiologist cum speech therapist audiologist technician audiometer technician matang da na electrician lineman or wireman mathang dana gas pump mechanic manifold room attendant manifold technician gas supervisor mathang dana assistant laundry supervisor OT assistant operation theater assistant operation theater technician pharmacist yam hangbire ko technician pharmacist yam hangbire ko do jelno mayam noigi su yauri ko si thabak se mathang da pharmacist grade 2 dispensing attendant pharma chemist chemical examiner pharmacist allopathic cashier chief cashier junior account officer junior account officer accountant mechanic operator lift operator for yawi ko mathang da na CSSD technician dissection hall attendant hospital attendant mathang da na lab attendant grade 2 lab technician, junior medical lab technologist. Yam moi post or chatlaga pi bu ko sigi lab attendant gi se khan oire sida dum samna haire ko lab attendant laboratory attendant oidone ko lab technician mathang dana telephone operator dental chair side assistant dental mechanic technical officer dental and dental technician dental gi oina kano technician tambiru bangu bu thabi yare ko mathang da technical officer ophthalmologist junior radiotherapy technologist, dark room assistant grade 2 junior radiographer swang birambado junior radiographic technician. Mathangda perfusionist or perfusionist assistant, pharmacist yang sai aina allopathy gi su high gre ko sisna homeopathic ki pharmacist tambirak pa kanggu su thaba ya ko mathangda embryologist, lifeguard, physiotherapist, vocation counselor, library and information assistant, driver, family planning welfare worker or health educator, social service officer, medical social welfare officer. Mathangda modeler, artist, junior warden, housekeeper, junior warden. Mathangda PA to principal, personal assistant ko. Stenographer grade 2. Mathang sa nursing gi ne ko nursing gi da auxiliary nurse, midwife, senior nursing officer, staff nurse grade 1, demonstrator nursing. Mathang the technician prosthetic or orthotic workshop technician grade 2. Coding clerk, medical record assistant, medical record technician. Mathang the biomedical engineer, computer data processor or data processing assistant. Junior Hindi translator, junior translation officer. Scientific officer cum tutor, physics. Tailor fau yawe kom. Tailor grade 3. Mathangda mechanic, air conditioning and refrigeration. Kano air AC ga kano ga fridge ka yeng na bani ko si mechanic sina. Nuclear medicine technologist, demonstrator optometry or optometrist, plumber, PACS administrator, social security officer, manager grade 2, superintendent, social security officer, ECG technician gi su aina khan bala hangbiram ba male ECG technician su yauri ko mathang da respiratory laboratory assistant, pharmacist ayurvedic ki su yauri ngasai allopathic yaugre, homeopathic yaugre, ayurvedic ki bo yawe ko mathang da na assistant biochemist aduga last ki sina 53 su basna junior physicist ado aido sise yam bani ne aina haibadu da kitang kano yanta da ba yauta su dum notice ta yeng biro ko habdi adu ki mate yame ba post kauri se adu da sigi detail da magi kano sigi exam de thaba da kai qualification darkar lei kai experience darkar lei adu ga exam si thaba da kari medium do oigani language to hindi oigadra english oigadra nam bada english ka ne amani khak hindi gi yauram gani ko ngasai gi hindi translator kai ka yaugi bodo adudune aduga si mayam sine chinaw singi line do chana bayar ko dum check to biro aduga aina nursing field da leibani na nursing gi matang da aina kitang hairam ge ko ahamba nursing gi se auxiliary nurse midwife haiba ko mana kauri hospital sina delhi ne lady hardins medical college ko lady hardin medical college ki auxiliary nurse ama kawe aduga matang na senior nursing officer AIIMS bathinda gi senior nursing officer kauriye senior nursing officer female AIIMS Raipur gi senior nursing officer female ka weko mathang dana senior nursing officer female AIIMS Manglagiri senior nursing officer male AIIMS Manglagiri mathang da senior nursing officer female AIIMS Raebareli senior nursing officer female AIIMS Patna senior nursing officer male AIIMS Patna demonstrator nursing regional institute of paramedical and nursing sciences Ripans na aizol dane ko staff nurse grade 1 AIIMS Gorakhpur, staff nurse grade 1 male and female AIIMS Gorakhpur. Si nursing gi si gai sine hoji kauri se ado mayam na comment da haire idena habdi male nurse thaba ya bra habdo sida male nurse thaba ya ko sida male female tongan tongan adum hari dana mogi vacancy je tongan tongan male na si dakar lei female na si dakar lei hairaga pi bane ba ko si se check out to biro aduga video sibu yeng biriba mipung khudimagna sigi video se soidana share to biyo ko abidi kano akoi manipur da leibiriba ichil enao mayam se sigi vacancy gi sigi matang da khangbi da mayam yawram gane ba aduga hujik form tha bujo haugrabani na last day se 31st oibani na ko abidi video se sasa share to horgadi 31st ki mamang da yahoragadi thaning ba ichil enao sing na form do thajil hoba yaidana online da aduna sum soidana share to biyo aduga mayam busu aina all the best haijari thagadauba yauba channel mayam su all the best mai pak poi biu aduga mathang da su sigumba videos sigumba thabak ki matang da ko adum aiga mari leina ba habidi AIIMS na ko thabak ki matang da semhanning adi adum comment da habiro o aduga aina hujik thaga ki budu da adum ke hangning ba mayam gi doubt lei biragadi comment pibiro o ai comment adum reply to jarake ko aduga matang sida loisin jarage